Asa naman yung meeting ninyo, sir? Kaya pa ganing meeting ko eh. Abot mag 1 minute. Sexy ba kaya character oh? Hello. Ito rin ang principal guys. Ito rin na siya. The main character. The main character. Oh my god, what is going on? Happy New Year day guys. Ma'am Principal, please enjoy the lecture. We will start the school meeting as speech from the principal begins. Unsa daw? Di na ko madunggan ng principal. Naku pa dyan masabtan. Hello. I'm bursting. Pion dyan ba? Di man yung maunsa, oy. Di ko kasabot sa kinastorya man. Unsa di ang gimitingan? All school meeting has ended. Hooray! Dissolve. Huh? I'm not some sugar to be dissolved. Thank you, ma'am.